G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to Pizza Hut because they've got a brand new pizza out. The Hot Honey Pepperoni Lovers Pizza. So how about we whip on in, grab one, suss it out and just see what this pizza's like. Let's go! Alright, well here we go. The Hot Honey Pepperoni Pizza. $12.45 this cost. And surprisingly enough, it's a large one. Now, this only comes in a thin and crispy or a stuffed crust. So, there's no normal crust pizza if you're after that. Although the guy did say if you did want a classic crust, all you have to do is order a classic crust pepperoni and they'll just squirt some honey sauce on it for you. Anyway, it's got a bit of weight about it. Let's see how much I reckon it does weigh. Okay, well this is always a bit difficult. But you're looking at about 546 grams for that. Now this is almost definitely a 120 gram box. So 540 minus 120. Oh, what's that? That's about 440 grams. It's not a bad weight, is it? It's the same weight as a pretty big hamburger. Anyway, let's suss it out and see what this pizza looks like. Oh, I can't wait to see what this one looks like. What the streets? Somebody actually took time to put all those bits of pepperoni on there in a nice pattern. And, which means that each piece of pizza that they've cut it's actually got pepperoni on it! I like it! Oh man, I'm so excited! Now the Hot Honey Pepperoni Lovers Thin and Crispy is lots of pepperoni and mozzarella finished with a spicy and sweet hot honey drizzle on a thin and crispy base. Well, I can't actually see any hot honey drizzle, so it must have just melted all through. But how about we see if this has any like mozzarella stretch whatsoever? Oh, nah. So no mozzarella stretch, but it does look like there is quite a bit of cheese on there, but we won't really find that out until we give it the old taste test. So let's see if there's any of this hot honey spicy sauce. Well, I've got that on my finger. I don't know if that's pepperoni, fat or hot honey. I'm kind of hoping it's a bit of each. Actually, I think it was just all pepperoni fat. Right. Is there any honey on this? I don't know if there is. Well, if there is, I can't taste any. God, this is so annoying. I'm the only customer there and they still can't get the order right. Now I'm going to have to take it back so they can fix the order. It's useless. Anyway, I went back there and showed them the pizza and they totally forgot to put the hot honey sauce on there. There's a sign out the front that says under new management. Maybe they should take that sign down and put a sign up that says under new mismanagement. Anyway, let's suss out and see what the hot honey sauce looks like on this. And they didn't even bother replacing the pizza. They just squirted the sauce on my already half-eaten pieces. But there you go. There's some honey glaze on there now. I can really see it. Looks like they put a lot on there too. And you can really smell it as well. Let's try some of this hot honey spicy stuff. Which he squirted out of a plastic thing. It wasn't even hot. Oh! Well, I don't think the honey sauce is supposed to be hot, but I think it might be called hot honey because it's pretty spicy. Man, that has got some kick to it. It's got a lot more kick to it than I thought it would have. It is got some kick to it. Well, how about I try this piece over here? Let's go. Yeah, well, tastes alright. Not jumping up and down. It is pretty spicy, and it has got quite a kick to it. That thin and crispy crust just sort of tastes like cardboard. It just tastes like a piece of cardboard with a bit of greasy, oily, fatty meat on it that's spicy on your mouth. Not very exciting. So I wonder what score I'm going to give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $12.45 for this. They should have paid me $12.45 for the extra work I had to do to get the pizza that I actually ordered. Flavour-wise, well, that crust is just boring, hard cardboard. Hardly any flavour at all. It actually did look nice with the pepperoni all spread out on top and everything. The honey sauce, well, it is pretty spicy and, well, it tastes all right and all blended together. Well, it's nothing special. It's a bit of honey on a pepperoni pizza with a chili, spicy flavour. It tastes okay. Anyway, for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the hot and spicy honey pepperoni thing and crispy from Pizza Hut, mate, this is only getting up. $3 out of 10. It might have got a 5 out of 10 if they hadn't stuffed the order up the first time. But really, mate, it's a pretty boring tasting pizza and nothing too special about it. And I wouldn't be coming back for another one. And but it is spicy. So if you do like some spice, mate, it has got a bit of a kick to it. It's not overly strong, but mate, it's there. And you do notice it. Otherwise, you know, it's a pepperoni pizza. Well, Domino's pepperoni pizzas are way better than this. This was pretty average, and I won't be coming back again for another one. Well, I hope this video helps you decide whether or not to try the hot and honey pepperoni pizza. If you did try it, let me know what you thought about yours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I go to Pizza Hut. Might have to choose a different store. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen where the reviews are famous.